Hi guys, I wanted to share an art project with you today that I found on Instagram that another art teacher had posted. So this art project doesn't involve using any art materials because not many people have a bunch of art materials lying around at home. So the project that we are going to do today, or that I'm going to talk about today, is involving found objects. Now, these are just items that you have in your home already that you can use to create an art project. So this art project is, you're going to make a portrait out of found objects. So just let's give it a go. So you should have just seen an example that I made, and I am going to show you how to do that. But before you start making yours, what you might want to do is, identify the different features on a face. So you have, two eyes, a nose, a mouth. Maybe you want to add ears, hair. All right, so we can get started. So first, for the face, I'm going to start with this big plate that I have. And now I'm going to continue to add things. I'm going to start with my eyes. And there you have it, a found object portrait. So now that we are finished, great job, by the way, you might want to take a picture so that you remember what you created. And it is time to have a cleanup party. So let's put back everything from where you found it. And I hope that you had fun doing this. Thanks for watching.